Guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, please and thank you. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. All right, I am back with DWP Digital Wealth Pros. I want to go over the updates and the announcement that the company has made to make sure you guys are updated with the latest. All right, and if you don't know, this program, actually it's an automated passive income system that pays out $200, $400, and $800 commissions. Okay, unlimited. There's no cap on how many commissions you can make per day. Okay, and this program, what's so exciting about it and what the buzz is that people like the idea that they no longer have to speak to people. Okay, we have a professional call center that's going to close all your sales. They're going to speak to all your prospects and they're going to get them signed up and you get paid. So it takes that away, that challenge that you having to worry about to explain and answer questions. Okay, so that's a big deal. All right, this video right here is what you want to watch first, and it will explain the program, and you determine which level you want to join out of the 3 levels: 200, 400, or 800. It's $297 for the first level, $497 for the second, and $997 for the third level. Okay, 100% commissions, guys. So this is a game changer to have a call center close all your sales, a sales funnel already set up for you, done for you. Okay, so you don't have to go and create an autoresponder. You don't have to create any capture pages. They have an email follow-up series that's going to do all that for you. So it's 95% automated. All right, that's what makes it stand out from everything else that's online. Okay, and then they of course have digital products. Each one of those levels are digital products: the bronze, the gold, and the platinum. Okay, and you have a back office where you can track everything. You track your leads and everything that's going on with your business. All right, so the link is in the description. Go check it out, www.earnwithpandora.com, and there's a link on previous reviews that I've done on this program. Okay, but let's talk about the updates that they've announced. Okay, so keep you updated. All right, so let's go check it out. Okay, we received an email, all the members, all right, where they have added what they call a leaderboard in, that's one of the features they've added at the back office, so you can see who the top earners are. Most of these people came in when the program came out, in January, February, whatnot. Okay, so that's a great thing that you can log in and see that there. And then they also have added what they're calling an email alert. Okay, so when the call center is on the phone with one of your prospects, they're going to send you an email alert to say, hey, we've got one of your prospects on the phone that we're speaking to, one of your leads. Okay, so that kind of lets you know how your advertising, is doing. Is it working? All right, so I think that's pretty cool. So just be on the lookout for those emails. It's already started, actually. So that's a cool feature, because a lot of times you don't know kind of what's going on. You may see a lead come in your back office and you're wondering, hey, well, are they on the phone talking to them or what's going on? So now you will get an email alert. It's going to let you know the call center is speaking to one of your leads. Okay, that's cool, guys. All right, and then they've got something else that they're going to be bringing to the forefront. Let's talk about that. All right, they realize that this program has a lot of newbies in it. Okay, because it attracts newbies because, again, the call center. A lot of new folks, that's a challenge for them to have to speak to people on the phone. So what they're doing is putting together what they call network marketing tips and strategies and insight on things that you can do as a beginner. They're going to have an email series to help the newcomers to the game. Okay, So that's going to be something you can look out for as well. Mentorship, all the things that, may be of interest of a new person on how to build this thing out. Okay. So exciting stuff that DWP has put together. I think that's great. And that brings me to this point to speak on what me and one of my business partners has put together for the elite marketing team. Okay. And we're calling it Done For You Marketing. Okay. So for everybody that joins us directly, for the first 30 days, we're going to do the advertising for you, because that still is a challenge for a lot of people that are marketing. Yes, we've got the folks that's going to close sales, all that great stuff. But up front, you've got to do the marketing, whether it's buying traffic or you spending time online, on social media, however you decide, postcards. The marketing has to be done. So that's still a challenge for a lot of people. So everybody that's joining us, that's the bonus. Joining the elite marketing team, the first 30 days, the marketing is going to be done for you. If you decide, hey, I like the results that I'm seeing with this, how can I have this go on ongoing? That's going to be the co-op. And the co-op is $100 a month. Of course, you can cancel it at any time. But this is going to be a great way for everybody to win. Okay. So I wanted to be a part of something like that. So I've kind of fallen back from me being at the forefront. I wanted to help put this together. So I'm a part of this Done For You system, marketing, ads. Okay. I'm on the front end. My business partner does a lot of the ads and things of that nature. So I like the idea of other people winning. It is great for us to come out here and say, hey, I made 10 sales and 20 sales. But out of all those people that we've signed up, even though we're all affiliates, we know that we're independent. But it'd be great to say, out of those 40 people I signed up, how many have had success as well? Even though we've given them the Done For You marketing strategies, the blueprint and all that stuff, right? It still will be great to show that, hey, some other people have made some money by what we're doing for them. Okay. So this way everybody wins. We win, and the people that sign up with us will win. And then we've also included what we call a co-op, and we're letting people that have already joined DWP get in on the co-op as well, because every day I'm getting emails from people that have joined, numerous people. They're still saying, hey, well, how can I succeed with this? I've signed up for months and I still haven't made any sales. Can I get in on your co-op? Okay. So this is also going to help other people that have already joined DWP. So I think this is a great thing, guys. So this is going to help everybody all around. And this is effective because we've already got people, and I showed you on the last video, proof of people where the marketing is working for them. We've already got results from that. And then just the other day, yesterday, I had 2 more people that said, hey, reached out. They've already signed up for the co-op. They joined a while back and now they're in the co-op. Okay, so this is going to help them as well. So I will put that information in the description if you're interested in being a part of our co-op, or you're interested in just joining me directly so you can get in on the 30-day free advertising. Okay, doesn't matter which level you come in at, 200, 400, or 800. The first 30 days of marketing we're going to do for you. So make sure you look in the description. I've specified how I need to get those responses, whether you're going to sign up directly or you want to be a part of the co-op. Okay, there's an email address in there, so please follow those instructions and I'll get that information over to you. So with that being said, thank you so much, guys, for checking out the video. Please go ahead, go to the link in the description, www.earnwithpandora.com. Watch this video, 7 minutes, decide which level you want to get in. Let us do the first 30-day marketing for you. Okay, and for those of you interested in co-op, that information is in the description as well. All right, guys, thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, you guys be safe out there. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video. Forgot to mention one thing, guys. My postcard, my personalized postcard, I created. I have completed it. and I'll be getting those printed out. So that is another way you can promote this program. Yes, the company has a postcard in the back office, but I've created a different one. So by joining me, this is only for the people that join me directly. This is not co-op if you're already in the program. It's for people that join me directly. You will have access to the postcard. I would have to be the one to send it to you. It's not going to be on any printing websites. Okay, it's exclusive. All right, so that's the other benefit for joining the Elite Marketing team. All right, guys, see you on the next video. Be safe out there.